does extra support mean? I've never been in this situation. What's
Yeah,
extra
I told
support?
you what this is, mate. This is like, let us help you. Can you afford to make it? Should we extend and pretend? So if you had 20 years to run and you were paying it at 3% and now the interest rates are 7%, let us redocument it over 30 years again so your mortgage payment becomes smaller. Remember I told you extend and pretend? So I was paying 500 and now my fixed rate has come up. I'm sitting with the ANZ guy and my payment is going to be 1,200 a week. I can't afford it. So
yeah, but someone like me who's 60 years old, there's no way that they give me an extra.
No, technically they're not supposed
because they might think I might be in the ground by then.
Exactly right. Exactly right.
And that's a lot of people. That's a lot of people.
A lot of people. But the whole point is they know they can sell it at the end, right? So what do you think reverse mortgages are? Heartland Bank in New Zealand and Australia is one of the big players in the reverse mortgages. So what do they do with 65-year-olds? They pretty much loan sharks, if I'm being honest, because they're giving a 60 or 65-year-old who has $1 million property a $200,000 loan saying, you know what? Don't spend the last few sunsetting years of your life just sitting at home and
go on a cruise.
Yeah, go on a cruise, have a holiday, give your grandchildren money to buy cars and this and that and be the great grandparent that you are. Take 200,000 from us. We know you got $1 million house. Even with interest, 5 years, you don't even have to pay us interest. Don't have to pay us any principal. So 65-year-old is really not paying you anything because they cap it at a certain amount. So with interest, they'll know it'll get to a maximum by the time you die to 400. Great. When you die, your kids already know that this mortgage has been reverse mortgage. This property has been reverse mortgage. We'll take our 400. The rest can go to your estate and they can live off whatever. This is shark lending. This is what happens, right, with reverse mortgages, because technically a 65-year-old shouldn't be getting a big mortgage. And that is why there's only certain banks, even in Australia and New Zealand, who will touch that product because it is not the ethical thing to do.